How tantalizing to see all your shining young faces on this auspicious day. I am Dr. Volumnia Gall, your humble head game maker in charge of the War Department and all its affiliated concerns. I've broken free of my laboratory today to examine you, the leaders of the next generation. I won't be around forever after all. And now to that end, I am honored to introduce to you the creator of the Hunger Games themselves, Dean Casca Highbottom.
Select students, faculty, and of course, Dr. Gall. I have summoned you all here today for the 10th annual reaping ceremony, in which we choose 2 children from each district to throw into the capital arena to fight to the death in the Hunger Games.
I can't believe they still allow him to speak in public.
And here sit our own 24 top prospects, all waiting to hear the results of hard study in this prestigious institution, eager to learn who's won that Fringe Prize, no doubt. And a golden future. However, I am here to tell you that there has been a change this year. One final assignment to prove your worth. Because the esteemed citizens of the capital have grown bored of the games and simply aren't watching anymore. And if the games are to continue at all, there must be an audience. So, head game maker Dr. Gall has stepped in to incentivize patriotic values with her own unique flair, starting with you. The Plinth Prize will no longer be determined by who has the best grades.
Excuse me?
But by who is the best mentor in the Hunger Games. This is a brand new role. As the reaping progresses live, I will allocate each district tribute a capital mentor, behind the scenes, one who must just persuade them to perform for the cameras.
Obviously, the best mentor will be the one whose tribute wins the games.
What if I get a pathetic runt girl from one of the poor districts, like 8 or 12? They're just gonna die in 2 minutes like they did last year and the year before.
Your role is to turn these children into spectacles, Miss Crane, not survivors. Victory in the games is only one of our considerations. Your entire future rests on this last project. Oh, and I must tell you that anyone caught cheating to give their tributes an unfair advantage will just have no future at all. Oh, and here we go. Let the reaping ceremony begin. District 1. Boy goes to Livia Cardew. Girl goes to Palmyra Monty. District 2, boy. How apt. Boy goes to Janice Plinth.
You got the pick of the litter. You forget. I'm part of that litter.
4, boy, Stephanie Price. Girl, Festus Creed. 7, boy, Ipsania Sickle. Girl, Pup Harrington. 8, boy, Juno Phipps. Girl, Hilarious Heavensby. 10, boy, Demisha Wimswick. Girl, Bracky Crane. 11, boy, Menzia Dovecote. 11, girl, Felix Ravenstell. 12, boy, Liz Estrada Vickers. Oh, you'll be happy about this, Miss Crane. The Runt Girl, District 12. She belongs to Coriolanus Snow.
Lucy Gray Baird.
Sing your way out of this one, Lucy Gray.
What is that dress? She's some sort of clown?
Lucy Gray, I didn't know. I didn't know. I'm sorry. My daughter. Help her! Help her! Help her!
That's enough. Leave it be.
Just give me a minute, boys.
Can't take my past, can't take my history. You could take my part, but his name's a mystery.
Nothing you can take from me was ever worth keeping. Nothing you can take was ever worth keeping.
Singing. Is she out of her mind?
Can't take my charm. Can't take my humor. Take my will.
Capital says keep rolling.
'Cause it's just a rumor. Nothing you can take was ever worth keeping. You can't take my sad. You can't take my talking. You can kiss my ass!
I'm Lucy.
Well, she's mentally ill.